the ultimate budget planner which you just bought, and thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you will love this product. So in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how to use this budget planner. So when you download this and you open it in either in the Excel sheet, in the Google sheet, or whatever app you are using. So first of all, go to this video tutorial tab, and here you will get the link of this video which I'm recording right now. Then you have this menu, and here you get all of you get you get here an overview of what you're getting in this planner. So when you scroll down, you see the dashboards, the monthly budget tabs, the section 4 says build your wealth. So in this budget tracker you are getting 33 tabs. Okay, so now coming towards the setup, here you can add your name, your currency, your budget year, your frequency, your saving goals, your tax rate, your emergency funds, and whatnot. Then coming down, you can write your income sources, your monthly income, frequency, and annual amount. Then comes the main dashboard. So there are formulas in this dashboard. You don't have to do anything manually. You can see when you click on it, you see there's a formula here too, and here too, also here. So here, like you have all the formulas in the tab before. So you just have to add your income and your goals, and everything will be calculated on its own. You don't have to do anything. Then you go to the bank accounts, you write your account name, your bank, your account type, your opening balance, your current balance, your interest rates. Then comes the recurring income. Here you add your primary salary, and that is calculated on its own, but if it varies, so you can remove the formula and add your primary salary, then your secondary salary, then your freelance income, your rental income. Here you don't have any formula because it varies, so you have to add it manually. Then your business income, your dividends, your government benefits, and other income, you can replace this with whatever you get. Then recurring bills. So here these three tabs are freeze. You can unfreeze them if you want, but if you keep them freeze, so it will be better for you, because when you move here, that those three tabs will keep on showing, and you don't have to just go back and see. And then you see this pie chart in here, and also you have to like add your monthly income here, and there's a formula which will calculate it and add for your whole year. But again, if it varies, you can remove the formula and add it manually. Then comes your electricity bill, your water, your internet, your phone, your car payment, car insurance. It includes everything: your entertainment, your gym, your groceries, your loan payment, like everything, and then it's calculated in the end. Then comes your variable expenses. So in this tab you get your dining out, you set a budget, then your coffee shop, your budget, then your groceries, your entertainment, your shopping, your clothing, like everything is here. Then you have there aren't any formulas, you have to add them manually, because it obviously varies, it's a variable, so you just can't add any formula here. But as you have added your annual budget, so here's you have added your monthly budget, so your annual budget will be calculated according to the formula. Then here's the variance, is also in formula. So when you will add your income, your actual income here, your actual amount that you have spent, like for example, if we change the May's amount to let's say to $20, 20 bucks. So now see, the actual has changed, your budget is 2400, but your actual but your actual spending is 20, and the wage is 2380. So this is how you're gonna add your variable expenses. Then comes the annual totals at a glance. This will give you a total of how you have spent your money in the year, or if you see that in December, so you'll know that this is how I have spent my money in my previous year. So you can see here are the formulas. Like when you add your income, that will be calculated from the recurring income, it will be added here. Then your fixed expenses and your variable expenses, and also it will show you your net savings. Right, here's another formula. Then here's your another formula for calculating the percentage. And then when you move forward, you get to see your bill calendar. So in this, you will add your dates, like on which date you have to pay your bill, and then you have this option of selecting yes or no. Right, you just add a date here. For example, in the month of June, your internet bill is payable by, you can say, 20 June, so you just add 20 there. And in July, your car insurance is to be paid by 15, so you just add 15 there, and you select no, because August isn't here yet. I'm recording this video in the month of June, so yeah, I'm selecting no. Then you have your uh, paycheck dashboard. You will add here your paycheck 1 2 3 4, the number of paychecks you get. You write all the amount here. Like for example, you get paid bi-weekly, so you can add paycheck 1, paycheck 2. And if you're doing 2 jobs, then you are paid bi-weekly, so you can add paycheck 1 2 3 4. So that depends upon your income. Then you allocate a proper budget to where does each dollar goes. So for example, you can say that 500 from check 1, 200 from check 2, 50 bucks from paycheck 3, and 100 from paycheck 4. So that is 850 a month, but you're paying that from your 4 paychecks, so you don't have to pay from one. Either you're instead of paying from one, you're paying from 4 paychecks. Then comes your 50 30 20 dashboard. So this tab is made so you can add you can follow this rule. So basically it's 50% to your needs, 30% to your wants, and 20% goes to your savings. So now because you have added your total income, so it will calculate your target of all the you can say the budget you have selected, like 50% of your total income. It will calculate the 30%, and 20% will be calculated automatically, and then you'll add your whatever, like what you say is the actual you have like separated for your this specific task. Like for your needs, you have to allocate 30% of your budget, but you have separated 5,000 for your wants, so that is 49.8%, and that is over your budget, right? Over the rule of this budget. And let's say for the 20%, which will go to your saving, then you have the actual amount you have saved is 20% is 2,000, which is 20% 19.9%, so you're on track. Then comes your spending breakdown. So here you will add your monthly budget and monthly actual. Like your budget for your housing is 250, and the actual is 200. So you it will total your annual, like in 12 months you'll be paying 3,000 for your housing, which is 2.5% of your annual income. So this is how you're gonna fill all this, and it will be calculated here. The percentage and the total will be calculated by formulas. Then you have this January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are all same. You will just have to add your salaries, uh, your like your expenses and everything. You'll add here. After that, your savings goal, which is very important. Savings are really important. So how you're gonna fill this is like your emergency fund. Your target is 10,000 and you have saved 8,500 so far. This is 500 monthly contribution, and then now you have you have set your target. Like you have to save uh, 10,000 by September 2026. So you have 3 months to go, and you have already saved 8,500. So you're almost there. And then your travel goal was to save 3,000 by November 2025, and you have 7 months to go for that, and you have already saved 4,500. So it's 150% of your target. So this is how you're gonna do it. I'll do one thing manually, and for example, you have to save okay, so this is from another tab. The dates are from another tab. So okay, so these are not from another tab, but you have to change them. You have to like, yeah. So for example, you don't have to add today. You can change this